Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on Centrifuge and its token CFG. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. I have to put out the disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing what I'm doing with the crypto space and what coins I'm involved with. So I hope you enjoy the video. So we'll get right into it. Centrifuge. What Centrifuge is bridging the real world assets to blockchain and cryptocurrency. So that's what Centrifuge is all about, bringing real world assets to on-chain so we can have more access to it. So it's better technology for financial products. So, I mean, if you go through the products, they have fund management, the Centrifuge Prime, and real world assets market. A lot of information on here. Total assets finance, 657 million. The platform for on-chain finance, transparency, lower cost of capital, equal and open participation, DeFi liquidity asset access, diversification, and security. So, all the things that you're looking for when you're looking into a cryptocurrency. Anyway, I mean, I'm looking for definitely those things. Go to see what this Centrifuge Prime is. I like to just poke around. So I'll poke around with you guys. So Centrifuge Prime, real yields, real DeFi. Finally, you can quickly and easily onboard and scale a portfolio of real world assets with Centrifuge Prime. So this is how you're doing it. The technology and services you need, all made available in a single place through Centrifuge. So built from years of experience bringing real world assets to DeFi. Probably different partners here. Block Tower, Maker, Aave, Real World Asset, XYZ, Stakehouse Financial, Centrifuge Credit Group, Circle. So unlock real yields and real world assets, generate yields, diversify investments, gain advantage. We all like to gain an advantage. So you can see the liquidity, U.S. Treasury bills, money market funds, 4 to 5% APY, preservation, ABS, private credit, MBS and CLO, 8 to 10% APY, appreciation is 13% plus APY. So a lot of great things going on with Centrifuge. So we'll go into looking it up on CoinGecko. We'll go into those numbers. So in Centrifuge, when it came out back in, like I said, probably August this time frame of last year, you could see its all-time high was back in October at $2.19. So I started buying it, I think, in November, and it was already on the downside. And I just dollar cost my average way in. So I'm at a decent price now. So I'm in the profit. So that's nice. You go to CoinGecko, or you can just go to centrifuge.io, or CoinGecko will list the link to the website for the token. So you can see right now, this coin's really been moving pretty good. And real quick, I just want to let you know. So Centrifuge, I get it on Coinbase, but I don't buy the actual Centrifuge token. Coinbase does a service for us, and because of the cross-chain and all the technical stuff going on between, like, in a sense, to use layman's terms, Centrifuge's code and what Coinbase's code or what they're used to isn't really that compatible. And Coinbase doesn't want to make the changes probably so it would be compatible to where they can offer the Centrifuge coin, at least not yet. But what they do for us, people that want to get Centrifuge, is we get a wrapped version of it, which is called Wcfg. So in a sense, they're buying the Centrifuge, and then we get a wrapped version of the Centrifuge token in our account, and it's a 1-for-1. So you can see that's why if you look on CoinGecko, you look up the Centrifuge token, it's ranked 326, and the price is 43 cents, 0.59. Now you can also look up wrapped Centrifuge, and you can see that is 805, and the prices are very similar because it is a separate token, so there is a separate market for that, but it's following the Centrifuge token. So, and my guess is you can see the supply here, circulating supply, total supply, it's 1-for-1 because every Centrifuge token bought, one wrap Centrifuge token is created. So, and this market is probably just mainly on central exchanges that offer the wrap Centrifuge. So, but you can see decent volume. So my guess is this 111 total supply is coming off of the Centrifuge total supply. So you can see its circulating supply is 506 million out of 556 million. So that's great. Most of the tokens are already in circulation. So, but for ease, I'm just going to base all the stuff I look at based on Centrifuge. So you can see Centrifuge, it's 43.59 cents and market cap is $220 million. So all-time high is $2.19. So right now we have roughly from the all-time high, pull up the calculator, $2.19. And we'll divide that by the 0.4359. So from now to its all-time high, we have a 5x possibility. So I think it's going to hit its all-time high. I think it's going to blow by its all-time high. Really, I think this is going to probably, honestly, I was thinking this was going to be probably closer to more like a $5 to $10 token at the peak of the bull market. It may be a little more, who knows? So I like the $10 price myself, and I'll go through why here in a second. So if we did the $10, we divided that by 4.359 cents. That's almost a 23x. Now that's some gains. But even so, for me, I'll probably sell some of mine at the all-time high. Definitely got to take some profits here and there. So let's see if the market could support that 22.94x. So we'll multiply that at the current market cap of 220,756,744. So that would put Centrifuge at a $5 billion market cap. I really think this market in the bull run is going to support that. I mean, if you look at it right now, total market cap right now is pushing 3.5 trillion. And we're just starting. I really think this is going to be a $10 trillion market at the peak, maybe even bigger. So I really think that Centrifuge could easily get to this $5 billion market cap. So that's what I'm shooting for. But even if it gets to its all-time high of $2.19, that's a great gain in a year. It'd be close to like a 500% gain. Anyway, but this is what I think. And this is why I'm saying that, because the market can support it. Most of the tokens are already in circulation. So we're not going to see like a big token drop in the middle of the bull run, which will definitely affect the price and drop the price. So we won't see that. So that's a big plus. And you can see now, I'm going to get right into the charts. This thing has been cranking. You can see it's up 8.3% on the 24-hour. But look at Centrifuge. I mean, the chart is definitely looking better. It still has some work to go. It still has a couple key levels it needs to get by, but I think we're going to do it here soon. So you can see here, we've had some nice gains over the last week or so, probably, almost 50% gains over the last week. So that's really moving. And what I like to see too is let's get another close or two above this 200-day moving average, and we can turn that into support. And then we have the 50-cent mark. That's a right now pretty strong resistance for us. So we're going to break through that. You can see once it's already tested it, but got pushed down. But we're definitely working our way up on that. You can see the 20 and 50-day moving average down here have made a sharp turn in the upward direction. That's definitely a strong move. I can see the 200 kind of looks like it's flattened out. That'll take a little longer to turn because it's definitely more data. But these are going to start cranking up. So I really think we're going to see this 50-cent mark get broken, turn it into support, and then from there. So I definitely think before the end of the year, we're going to be above 50 cents on Centrifuge and WCFG. So actually, this is the WCFG chart. I can look up the Centrifuge charts. Pretty much going to look the same. This looks very similar to the one I just had up. I find that, why is this above its volume point of control with USDT tether? Probably just a different pair, but you can see still it's still got the same resistance happening. 50 cents, 200-day moving average is still the same. We got to make sure, let's keep that as support, turn that into support. All of this is going to crank up, and once we get to the 50-cent mark, we're going to have resistance here at 68 cents. That's going to be our next point. I think that'll probably be a little more resistance than the 50 cents, but 50 cents is definitely some resistance. So, and I like that volume that we had on this move, strong volume. So after the 68 cents area, it's $1, $1.10, which is the recent high we've had. And then if we go ahead and zoom out, you can see back here in 2021 that $2, it spiked up to $2.55, but its all-time high close, well, they said $2.19, but you can see it spiked up to $2.55. So after we break this level of 68 cents, and then we have some resistance here, right here, right around $1, $1.10. But after that, it's all-time high territory and price discovery mode. So we'll have to wait and see. But I think my opinion on Centrifuge right now, short term, we're going to have to go ahead and keep that 200-day moving average as support. And if we can do that, I really think short term, by the end of the year, we're going to be battling that 68 cents range. We're going to be up around here, 68 to 70 cents. That's what I think where we're going to be. Could it be higher? Oh, definitely. Could it stay down around the 50-cent range? Sure. But I really think we're going to hit around 70 cents, 75 cents by the end of the year. That's a bold prediction. That's just a little over 30 days. I'm predicting that we're going to do another, call it another 60% move. So that's where I think Centrifuge is going. So anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.